Hi, this is Chef Yogesh from Svenska Design Hotel in Mumbai. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel. And today, what we're going to see is paneer chili, which is again a Chinese recipe made in an Indian version. The chili paneer, what we need is a block of paneer, some diced 3 color peppers, diced onions, some chopped spring onions, some slit green chilies, lemon to taste, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, little bit of vinegar, little bit of soya sauce, corn flour, salt, pepper, seasoning, and a little bit of aromat. If you really like it spicy, you can add that sauce as well, which is the red chili sauce. Now let's start making paneer chili. I'm going to cut little cubes of them. Paneer has got more moisture in it. You can simply coat the paneer with corn flour. We are not going to use egg in this recipe, as this is a complete vegetarian dish. Let's get your oil a little hot. Let's drop those paneer in the nice and hot oil. Paneer is nice and golden brown. Now let's make the sauce for it. Try and get the wok. If you do not have the wok, again you can use your non-stick fry pan. Drop a little oil. A lot of garlic. Little less ginger. Add some slit green chilies. Diced tri-colored pepper. Diced onion. Once the onion becomes a little translucent, you can add in the fried paneer. Just toss it up a little well with that. Water or stock, or you can add a little bit of aromat, which makes the job of your stock. Little seasoning, pepper, salt, add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, a dash of vinegar, again I told you the chili sauce is again optional. Let's use this chili sauce this time. We're going to add a little bit of extra soya sauce. Add a little bit of spring onions just before that, just to get a little softer. Make the mixture of corn flour with water just to thicken your gravy. Always remember not to add too much of mixture. Top it up with a handful of spring onion, and your chili paneer is ready to serve. Top it with some diamond shaped spring onion and a little bit of chopped one.